Some neighbors say the water came as high as this railing during the storm. This was the scene of flooding Thursday night. The water getting into Dustin Grant's home, even pushing a fence over.
I noticed water just creeping up on the floor within my house.
He says the water didn't have anywhere to go because of debris from the February ice storm.
There was a lot of debris left and dead trees and whatnot that fell into the creek. And all of the debris came forward through the creek, blocking the canals here and causing the water to flow over instead of being able to use the natural irrigation that they should have.
He said he filed 3 service requests with the city to try to get them to clean it up, but they were closed with no action until he saw crews Saturday.
The maintenance is needed, year-round within the creek and the watershed as a whole.
The city says watershed protection crews did clear the area near a culvert on Mearns Meadow Boulevard and Quail Valley Boulevard on April 11th. Because of the amount of debris, some of it may have gotten washed downstream during Thursday's storm and clogged the culverts again. They say a lot of factors go into the time frame for doing 311 work orders. And to prepare for more upcoming rain, crews worked to clear debris along Little Walnut Creek this weekend. There's also the Little Walnut Creek Flood Risk Reduction Plan, but that is on hold as the city looks for a new contractor.
We need to, look back at the budget, where we're putting our money and where our taxes are going, to be able to handle just general maintenance within the city.
And Grant says it'll probably take him a few months for everything in his house to go back to normal. In North Austin, Angela Shen, Fox 7 Austin News.